Which coin is the most lucrative investment? Hard to tell. In this video, we have decided to examine Tezos' performance and share its price predictions for 2021, 2022, 2023 to 2025, and 2030. Our forecast is based on the most recent data from different market analysts. Now, what is Tezos, or otherwise called XTZ? XTZ is a crypto coin that was launched back in 2017. The initial coin offering, OC, remains one of the most memorable to date. The scope of investment exceeded $232 million. Ever since then, the coin has been keeping a leading position in the market. For example, it's considered the one of largest crypto, with a market capitalization of more than $2.5 billion as of late January 2021. First of all, we need to know about Tezos' past price performance. Making an XTZ price prediction may be difficult without assessing the token's past performance. It helps to identify price fluctuation patterns and analyze which factors have the biggest influence. The Tezos coin started its path with the scandal. It was launched in 2017. The ICO took place in July and was among the largest in terms of the accumulated investments. The price at the time was average. It was bouncing between $1.7 and slightly more than $2. Instead of stabilizing its position, the company had to deal with a lawsuit over ICO. There were several, in fact. All of them blamed XTZ founders for selling unregistered assets. This, of course, affected the token price. It only had started to increase and reach the $5 benchmark in December 2017, when another complaint was filed. As a result, it dropped down to $3.9 in a couple of days. However, the collapse wasn't disastrous. In fact, Tezos regained its position pretty fast and exceeded the maximum price at the beginning of January 2018. It reached $5.75. No matter how promising it may have been, 2018 happened to be a complicated year for all cryptocurrencies, with constant ups and downs. As a result, XTZ ended the year valuing only $0.5. What affected Tezos significantly at the time was a set of regulations. Know Your Customer, KYC and anti-money laundering, AML, requirements were introduced in summer 2018. That became a problem for XTZ, as no user data was collected during the ICO. After a long bearish period, the token finally started to regain its value in 2019. Three-fourths of the year, from March to December, were rather prosperous. Although all cryptocurrencies were increasing in price at the time, Tezos performed better than others. XTZ was estimated to have risen 1,000% during the year. It climbed from 22nd position up to 10th in the cryptocurrency ranking. Now, what are the factors that influence the XTZ token? Before you start trading Tezos, it's vital to understand what may affect its price. You will need this data to predict the XTZ price fluctuations and make reasonable investment decisions. Of course, there are factors relevant to any cryptocurrency, like investor sentiment or overall economic situation. One of the main factors that influence the Tezos token price is Bitcoin. Bitcoin, being the key cryptocurrency, shapes the price of altcoins, and Tezos is no exception. When Bitcoin is in a bull trend, we can hope that XTZ follows the same path. While it may lose in the XTZ-Bitcoin ratio, generally, the altcoin can still strengthen its positions. The best time to wait for a spike is after Bitcoin's rise. Typically, the main crypto enters the cool-off phase, and that's the exact moment to anticipate growth for Tezos. Now, let's talk about the technical analysis. Mastering technical analysis is a must. Technical analysis is a process of examining and forecasting price fluctuations based on historical data and market statistics. In other words, you will be able to make your own Tezos price prediction, relying on the available data. To carry out the analysis, you will need to analyze the historical price chart and apply some analysis instruments like MACD or OHLC. To interpret the chart, first, you need to learn the basic terms. 1. Uptrend when the XTZ price is growing. 2. Downtrend when the XTZ price is decreasing. 3. Sideways trend when XTZ price is stable or move horizontally on the chart. 4. Resistance, abundance of sellers, happens during an uptrend and indicates the level when it can rebound or pause. 5. Support, abundance of buyers, happens during a downtrend and indicates the level when it can rebound or pause. These indicators are necessary to describe the past price performance and identify price movement patterns. Afterward, they can be applied to prediction. In conclusion, although Tezos has already gained a significant position in the crypto market, it has already been criticized. Predominantly, of course, the critics focused on the lawsuits. Some community experts also don't approve of the governance philosophy. In particular, Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum founder, often disagreed with the implementation policy. Thank you for watching. Bye.